Hello again. The brain is the center of our nervous system. It sends and receives signals that allow it to control the body functions. Language is a very important system controlled by the brain. So where is language located and how is it processed in the brain? This is what we will try to spell out today. Basically, the brain is divided into two sides or two cerebral hemispheres. The right hemisphere controls the left side of the body, while the left hemisphere is responsible for controlling the right side. Each hemisphere is associated with certain functions. The right hemisphere is called the creative brain. It is related to imagination, daydreaming, arts, etc. The left hemisphere is called the logical brain. It is pertinent with learning sciences such as physics, maths, chemistry, and absolutely languages. But language areas are not found only in the left hemisphere. They form a network that covers different parts of the brain. Now that we have located the areas where language abilities reside, we can move on. But before that, there is an exception that we have to mention. In 2019, the Oxford University Press published research that shows the coordination between the two sides of the left-hander's or the southpaw's brain is conducted more effectively than in the right-hander's brain, which gives them superiority when it comes to performing verbal tasks. Which means some left-handers' language acquisition can be better and faster than the right-handers. Now we move to how language is processed in the brain, and we will start by something very conventional. Most language learners know that any language has 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. By using these skills, you are subconsciously triggering parts of the brain and setting them to work. For example, when you read something visually, the optic nerve sends signals from the eye to the visual cortex, which is at the back of the brain. When you listen to someone speaking, the ear receives signals and sends them to the auditory cortex, which is not far from the ear. And we have the Wernicke's area, which allows the comprehension of the written and the spoken language, whereas the Broca's area is involved in speech production. And bear in mind, some damages caused to the brain may lead to aphasia, which is losing the ability to communicate. A person may be deprived of his ability to speak, write, or understand language. And different reasons can lead to aphasia, such as a stroke or a head injury. In brief, language is something very sophisticated, but our brain makes it look so simple. If you like the topic and want to read more about it, just check the links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that more videos will reach you. Thanks in advance and see you very soon with another video.